has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Dixon County in Middle Tennessee, southeastern Montgomery County in Middle Tennessee, southeastern Houston County in Middle Tennessee, Cheatham County in Middle Tennessee, eastern Humphreys County in Middle Tennessee, until 4:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 3:52 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near McComb, or 8 miles southeast of Waverly, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dixon, Ashland City, Waverly, White Bluff, Kingston Springs, Pegram, McComb, Burns, Charlotte, Van Leer, Sladen, and Cheatham Dam. This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 between mile markers 159 and 160, between mile markers 164 and 181, and between mile markers 185 and 191. Interstate 840 between mile markers 1 and 3. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Central Standard Time for Middle Tennessee.